Once upon a time, in a lively city filled with busy streets and cheerful sounds, there lived a young boy named Max. Max was no ordinary boy. He had the most curious blue eyes and loved adventures more than anything else. One day, as he walked home from school, he spotted an old man with a mysterious cart full of unusual treasures. Something about the old man and his collection of strange trinkets caught Max's attention. With a bright smile, Max used the little money he had to buy a small, carved wooden box. Excited and curious, he ran home to see what surprises awaited him inside. When Max opened the box, his eyes widened in amazement. A treasure map lay folded inside. It was old, with faded markings and an X marking the spot. An adventure! Max whispered to himself, feeling a thrill run through him. As luck would have it, a holiday from school came just in time, and Max began planning his journey. He packed a brown backpack with everything he might need, hung his trusty binoculars around his neck, and set off toward the hills outside the city. Following the map, Max reached a dark, mysterious cave. It was spooky but exciting. Inside, Max stumbled upon a loose stone that revealed a hidden underground path. Carefully, he stepped into the passage, wondering what wonders awaited him. To his surprise, deep within the tunnel, he met someone, or something, completely unexpected, a giant ant named Annie. Annie was no ordinary ant. He wore a brown coat, a black hat, and even had a tiny glowing cigarette in his mouth. Though Max was startled at first, Annie quickly became his friend. Annie decided to join Max on his treasure hunt, promising to show him magical secrets along the way. The underground path eventually led to an incredible place, Mugfo, a glowing, magical forest unlike anything Max had ever imagined. Here, trees shimmered with light, and animals with magical powers went about their day. Elephants stirred giant cooking pots, giraffes hammered away at building houses, and bright birds painted colorful patterns in the sky. Max was amazed and couldn't stop smiling. Annie grinned proudly and invited Max to visit his home, a giant anthill hidden within the forest. Sliding into the anthill's entrance was like riding the best slide ever. Inside, Max saw countless ants working busily and carrying tiny objects, making the hill hum with energy. But just as Max started exploring, the ground began to tremble. Outside, an enormous snake named Cobbs was causing trouble. Cobbs wasn't just a regular snake. He had wings that sparkled like gems, and his golden eyes burned with hunger. "I smell human," hissed Cobbs, and his gaze turned toward Max. "Oh no." Cobbs lunged at Annie's anthill, causing parts of it to collapse. Inside, Max tried to stay safe as debris fell around him, but brave Annie marched outside to face the fearsome snake. "Stay back!" Annie growled, adjusting his hat and staring fiercely at Cobbs. The two stood face to face, ready for an epic showdown. What would happen next? Well, that's a story for another day. The adventure continues.